Давай, давай!
A serviceman of the 3rd Assault Brigade, Datsik, shows the results of a 3-day ambush in the Kharkiv region. So we have 50 dead Russian soldiers only on this spot. Incredible. Can't show the bodies though, but you get the picture.
Зараз покажу, як виглядає на практиці засада бійців 2-ї штурмової роти. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Не дотягнув. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Там далі за колючкою лівіше лежить іще 8. По правому флангу лежить 13. Це, щоб ви розуміли, тільки в течение 3 діб. Щоб ви розуміли, операцію засади виконували лише 2 штурмові групи бійців 3-го взводу Мантікор і бійців 2-го штурмового взводу Десептикони. Я вам би, звичайно, ще показав би зону відповідальності 1-ї штурмової роти. У них на передньому краї знешкоджено зі стрілкотні близько 50 військовослужбовців Російської Федерації. Я хочу сказати, дуже непогані результати за короткий проміжок часу. І пацани назвали цей участок, де вони зараз вже несуть чергування, кіл-зона. Ну, ви тепер самі розумієте, чому.
The anti-aircraft division of the 92nd Brigade shoots down a Russian drone in Kharkiv region. Ukrainian forces have become increasingly adept at downing Russian drones using anti-aircraft guns due to their strategic adaptation and experience gained in combat. Utilizing older Soviet-era anti-aircraft systems and modernized weaponry, Ukrainians have fine-tuned their targeting and engagement techniques. Regular training and battlefield improvisation have allowed them to effectively respond to drone incursions, including commercial and military-grade UAVs. A whole lot of equipment, a whole lot. The occupier is filming destroyed equipment on the Zaporizhzhia front.
Море техніки. Просто море. Оторванная дула. Не очень советую без головы сюда приходить, если у тебя его нет.
Russian troops suffered significant losses of equipment during mechanized assaults from anti-tank mines that were laid in the Kursk region. A video with a selection of Russian equipment explosions was posted on the Facebook page of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. According to the General Staff, the enemy lost 17 units of equipment during assault attempts only due to the installed minefields. These obstacles were installed by both the support forces engineering units and the tactical support group units in the Kursk region. In this area, thanks to the minefields professionally equipped by the 12th Separate Support Regiment specialists and engineer units of other units of the ground forces, about 30% of enemy vehicles were destroyed while trying to advance. I thank the soldiers for their high professionalism and effective combat work, the General Staff reported. The armed forces of Ukraine are actively mining possible offensive routes using a variety of vehicles. In particular, various heavy drones, multicopters, ground robotic platforms, and artillery. For this purpose, various mines provided by partner countries, remnants of Soviet stockpiles, and new mines produced in Ukraine are used. At the same time, new mines are produced not only by defense industry enterprises, but also by engineering units of military units themselves. Such products vary in a wide range of artisanal quality, from unique handmade items to standardized industrial models. This situation with the loss of Russian equipment on mines in the Kursk region is not new. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that in October alone, the Russians lost or damaged more than 20 pieces of military equipment on minefields. According to the published information, in October, Russian troops lost or damaged 7 armored personnel carriers, 7 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 Tiger armored vehicle, and 5 T-72 main battle tanks. This once again confirms the importance of high-quality engineering training for defense. Only by using the entire range of means, from equipping positions to installing both mine and non-explosive barriers, can a sustainable defense be created and the enemy suffer the greatest losses. F-16 multi-role fighter jets of the Ukrainian Air Force shot down about 10 air targets while repelling a massive air attack on Ukraine in the morning of November 17th. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky reported on this. Today, our F-16 pilots shot down about 10 air targets. The aftermath of the combined attack on our infrastructure in the Rivne, Lviv, Dnipro, Volyn, and Odesa regions are being eliminated, the statement reads. During the combined attack, Russian troops used various types of air, land, and sea-launched missiles, as well as Shahed, Geran-2 attack drones. According to preliminary data, the radio engineering troops of the Ukrainian Air Forces detected and escorted 210 enemy air targets, 120 missiles, and 90 UAVs. It is reported that the enemy used one 3M-22 Zircon hypersonic ship missile, 8 Kh-47M, 2 Kinzhal aeroballistic missiles, 101 Kh-101 and Kalibr cruise missiles, and 1 Iskander-M ballistic missile. In addition, the enemy used 4 Kh-22 Kh-31P cruise anti-radar missiles, 5 Kh-59 Kh-69 guided missiles, and 90 attack UAVs drones of unspecified type. The air attack involved 7 Tu-160 and 16 Tu-95MS strategic bombers, 2 Tu-22M3 long-range bombers, 5 Su-34 fighter bombers, 4 Su-27 fighter aircraft, 10 MiG-31K fighter jets, and 4 cruise missile carriers. The Ministry of Defense of the United Kingdom is in the final stages of exploring an analog of the Lancet kamikaze drone. This was reported as part of an update on the status of the medium-range precision strike program. Due to the deteriorating geopolitical situation in Europe, the UK Ministry of Defense is seeking to expand the search for a modern kamikaze drone capable of performing tasks similar to the Russian Lancet. The published terms of reference state that the drone should have a flight range of up to 60 to 80 kilometers and stay in the air for up to 40 minutes in standby mode. Since the program has been at various evaluation stages since 2019, the Ministry of Defense decided to accelerate its implementation and plans to select the appropriate product by 2027, with its adoption in the same year. The total funding budget is £120 million, which, according to the ministry, will be sufficient to equip the troops with new weapons. In addition, it should be noted that the medium-range precision strike program plans to replace the Israeli long-range Spike NLOS system, which was previously used as a medium-range system for targeted destruction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.